Just to be clear, we choose whether we're going to be part of the first resurrection or take our chances with the second. How do we choose? Well, we choose to accept God's invitation to get to know Him, to love Him and serve Him wholeheartedly. So it's not really favoritism. He's not favoring one over the other because we're the ones who choose which group we want to be in. Okay? Hopefully, you understand it's going to be more difficult to be part of that first group. And because He's a just God and He's a loving God, He's going to take that into consideration when rewarding everyone according to their deeds. You know, when He's standing before you, when His Son is standing before you, it's not going to be as hard to figure out, hey, I really need to listen to these guys. I really need to try to make the best of my second chance. Versus today, when the vast majority of people don't really know if He exists, and a great many others think that, well, I'm not sure if He exists, but if He does, it's better to believe in Him and go to church than it is not to. And that's not a very good way of thinking, because it's not going to lead you to a circumcised heart. It's not going to help you to produce good fruit. It's not going to cause you to want more of a relationship and less of a religion. Anyway, just thought I'd clarify those things for you, so that you had a better understanding. Because it's my hope and my desire that your understanding would increase and you would become more equipped for every good work. Thank you.